This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video I'm going to show you the Aiper Surfer S1. And this is a solar powered surface cleaner. Let me go over some of the features and I'll show you this in action. So I've been using and testing these solar surface cleaners since 2013, and of course the technology has gotten much better over the years, and I would say that the Surfer S1 is not surprising to me and it works really well. I figured with Aiper behind it, they would have a good programming, and I wasn't disappointed. The cleaner actually moved at a faster pace than I was expecting it to, and it really moves across the pool really well. This is actually real-time footage and not sped up, and it does a great job pulling in the debris with the paddle. So I would say that this is a solid choice for a surface cleaner, and I can't really speak on the longevity of the cleaner. However, I can tell you that it's very well made and it's solidly built. So I think this is going to stand the test of time. And one of the first things you'll notice is that it's made out of this really nice plastic, just like the robotic pool cleaners. If you're not familiar with their cleaners, I have several videos on my channel of the robotic pool cleaners. In the front are 4 ultrasonic sensors, and this will help keep the cleaner from getting stuck anywhere, and it also will let the cleaner know when it's hitting the sides of the pool. And there are 2 anti-stranding bars on the front. So if you have shallow steps, you can lower these down, and this should prevent the cleaner from getting stuck on those shallow steps. If you don't have shallow steps, you wouldn't need to use these. And there's a paddle on front here, and this is what's used to pull the debris into the tray. And it has this really nice handle on top. You can easily retrieve it from the pool. On top are the solar panels. And this cleaner can charge either with the sun. If the sun hits your pool while it's in the pool, this will charge the battery. You can also plug it in and charge it manually if you want to. It'll charge in about 4 hours completely. Again, I think most people are just going to use the solar panels on top to charge the cleaner. And on the back of the cleaner you have 2 anti-strand bars as well. You can use these again if you have shallow steps. And on back is where you'll find the 2 propellers, and this of course is what's going to move the cleaner while it's in the pool. And if you look at the cleaner while it's on its back, you can see that these propellers are protected here. They're also modular, so you can replace these easily when they wear out. And here's the battery and all the electronic components of the Surfer S1. There's a charging port, and this is water sealed, so there's no worry of water getting inside the cleaner if you were to leave this tab off. But it's of course a good idea to cover it. And here's the indicator light of the cleaner, and this will light up with different colors, and you can refer to the manual for what each color means. When it's solid blue, that means that it's fully charged. And this is the power button, and you would hold it down for 2 seconds to turn the cleaner on. And to turn the cleaner off, simply hold the power button down for 2 seconds, and the cleaner will turn off. And here's a Wi-Fi indicator here, and you can monitor the cleaner through the Aiper app on your smartphone. Let me turn the power on here. So you want to download and install the Aiper app. And let me add the cleaner to the app. And you can see the Surfer S1 has appeared here. I should be able to discover the Wi-Fi network, and you would just enter the password. Once you enter your Wi-Fi and your password, you should be able to connect. You can see that the Surfer S1 is connected here through the app. And in the app you can see the runtime of the cleaner and also the water temperature displayed here. You can also take remote control of the cleaner using the app, and this is a very nice, user-friendly, and a very solid app. And here's the release button on top, so you can slide the top back and get to the debris basket. And you can see it definitely has a very large debris basket. And here's the release for the debris basket. You can see that this layer is really fine, and you're going to be able to pick up all the small particles that are on the surface and trap them in here with no problem. Also included is the owner's manual and also the plug to manually charge the cleaner. Overall, the Surfer S1 looks very robust. It has the typical plastic of an Aiper cleaner. And ideally you would pair the Surfer S1 with a cordless robotic pool cleaner. And here I have the Aiper Scuba Pro S1. And this is a great way to keep your pool clean. You have the cordless cleaner on the bottom doing the bottom and the walls of the pool. Then you have the Surfer S1 cleaning the surface of the pool. So here's the Surfer S1 along with the Scuba Pro S1 in this pool here, and you can see that it does a great job cleaning it. And I sped this clip up. This was running for about an hour and a half, and so you can see that the cleaner got full coverage of the surface. It went from the deep end to the shallow end, back to the deep end, crossed the pool, cleaned the edges. It did a really thorough job with the surface, and I was really pleased with the results of this cleaner. And if you're looking for a solar power surface cleaner, I definitely would check out the Surfer S1. Let me show you some of the debris that the cleaner picked up here. And you can see it does a great job with larger leaf debris. You can see some of the finer particle debris that are trapped here. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.